This is a place in Tamisco, and this will hold approximately 50,000 people. It's enormous, lots of bathrooms. It's just a really, really big place. We would set up the stage in the middle. Way down the other end there is the main street in the town. It's a very busy street, a lot of big stores, a lot of everything. It's an enormous place, but it's a cement floor, so it's nice and clean versus a dirt floor. And this is just really, really big. There are 5 different entrances into the place, and there's tons of parking all around. So this is roughly where we would put the platform, basically in the middle. So this would be the view to the left, and that is where the city street, the main street, is. Then if you come back this way, over to the right, this is the other end of it. So the platform would be here in the middle.